Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Do you want a quick, no pressure way to keep tabs on your money every week? Well, Cleo's weekly financial check-ins have your back. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Cleo's weekly financial check-ins. Let's get into it. The first step, of course, is going to be to open Cleo and head to the settings. So just find the gear icon on the home screen. You're going to see settings there. And step 2 is to tap on weekly check-ins. Now you might also find it under notifications or under financial tools. Step 3, enable weekly check-ins. Now just switch the toggle to on. And step 4 is to choose your check-in day. Now pick a day that you want to your weekly updates. It could be Mondays or Fridays. It's all up to you. Go ahead and pick a day. And step 5 is going to be to customize the report content. Here you got to decide what Cleo will summarize. It could be your spending habits, saving progress, budget warnings, or just tips for the week ahead. With Cleo's check-in, you always want to know where you stand financially without having to think about it, every day. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.